Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. In this video, I'm gonna explain some of the most important general science and technology related questions. For each of the questions, guess the right answers and at the end of the video, comment your score. So without any delay, let's get started. The first question is, zinc coating of iron is called as option A galvanization, option B electroplating, option C bionization, and option D electro-refining. Guys, the answer for this question is option A galvanization. Galvanization is nothing but the process of depositing a protective layer of zinc on steel or iron. But why is this coating required? So, to prevent corrosion or rusting, we use this galvanization. Second question, the gas used for ripening of green fruits. Options A. Ethane, B. Ethylene, C. Acetylene, and D. Carbon dioxide. Guys, the answer for this question is option B. Ethylene. Ethylene generally speeds up the process of ripening, and this method is also scientifically approved by government. The chemical name for ethylene is ethene, and the chemical formula is C2H4. Next question, which chemical compound is known as philosopher's wool? Options A. Nitrous oxide, B. Zinc oxide, C. Aluminum oxide, and D. Barium oxide. Guys, the answer for this question is option B. Zinc oxide. Chemical formula for zinc oxide is ZnO. It is usually used in the sunscreens and sunblocks that we use. Next question. The inert gas found abundantly in the atmosphere is option A xenon, option B krypton, option C helium, and option D argon. Now, the answer is option D argon. Yes, inert gases are also called as noble gases. So, the inert gas or noble gas that is found abundantly in the atmosphere is argon, and the chemical symbol is Ar. Air almost contains 1% of argon. Next question. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Options A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Earth, and D. Venus. Guys, the answer is option B. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Hence, it is also called as innermost planet. And the farthest planet from Sun is Neptune. Next question. Which of the below glands is both endocrine and exocrine? Option A pancreas, option B thyroid, option C pituitary, and option D apocrine glands. Guys, the answer is option A pancreas. Okay, so first let's understand the difference between endocrine and exocrine glands. Endocrine glands are without ducts and exocrine glands are with ducts. Secretions by endocrine glands are released directly into the bloodstream and reach their target organs, whereas exocrine glands have ducts which transport the secretions like enzymes to the target organs. That is the reason endocrine glands are called as ductless glands. So, coming to the question, let me explain why pancreas is both endocrine and exocrine gland. Pancreas is an exocrine gland as it has a duct to store pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas and use it whenever required. But it is also considered as an endocrine gland as it does not have a duct to store the hormones like insulin and glucagon which are directly supplied to the bloodstream. So, pancreas is both endocrine and exocrine. Next question. What is the study of male reproductive system? Option A, andrology. Option B, pathology. Option C, gynecology. Option D, pulmonology. Guys, the answer for this question is A, andrology. Andrology is the study of male reproductive system. And coming to other options, pathology, it is the study of diseases. Gynecology is the study related to the health of women, especially female reproductive system. And finally, pulmonology is the study of lungs. Moving to next question. Washing soda is the common name for option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, calcium bicarbonate. Option C, sodium bicarbonate. And option D, calcium carbonate. Now, the answer is option A, sodium carbonate. Washing soda is used in laundry as it acts as a cleansing agent. And the chemical formula for sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Next one. Which of the following gland is called as master gland? Options A, pancreas, B, thyroid, C, pituitary, and D, apocrine glands. Now, the answer for this question is option C, pituitary. The main function of this gland is that it generates required growth hormones. Hence, it is called as master gland. And this pituitary gland is an endocrine gland. Guys, next question. Indian first satellite Aryabhatta was launched from option A, India, option B, Russia, option C, America, and option D, China. Now the answer is option B, Russia. Guys, India's first satellite is Aryabhatta, but it is not launched from India. It is launched from Russia in the year 1975. India's first satellite that is also launched from India is Rohini. Next question. Which state of CO2 is called as dry ice? Option A, gas. Option B, liquid. Option C, solid. And option D, all of the above. Guys, the answer is option C, solid. Solid state of CO2 is called as dry ice and it is used as a cooling agent. Next question. Which tissue helps to transport water in plants? Option A, meristematic tissue. Option B, xylem. Option C, phloem. And option D, epidermis. Guys, the answer for this question is option B, xylem. The most important function of xylem is to transport water from the roots of the plant to other parts of the plant. Moving to next question. The gas used to extinguish fire is option A, neon, option B, nitrogen, option C, carbon dioxide, and option D, carbon monoxide. Guys, this is a direct question and the answer is option C, carbon dioxide, CO2. Next question. From which organism penicillin was extracted? Option A, bacteria. Option B, algae. Option C, fungus. And option D, virus. Guys, the answer is option C, fungus. Penicillin is generally abbreviated as PCN. It is extracted from the fungus Penicillium chrysogenum or Penicillium notatum. And the final question for this video is now, which metal is found maximum in human body? Option A, iron. Option B, magnesium. Option C, sodium. Option D, calcium. Now the answer is option D, calcium. Calcium is mainly found in teeth and bones and almost 2% of adult weight is due to calcium. That's it for this video guys. In case if you have not watched the part 1, the link is in my description. Go and check it out. And for more such questions, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from me.